Hello everyone, my name is Shaheen and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. We all love to speak in English, am I right? But learning English grammar is tedious. So what to do for it? Do you think that we can speak English language without learning grammar? Really, is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but there is a catch. If you want to communicate with your friend, your intention is only to communicate with your friends or just to convey your message to the person, then yes, you can speak English without learning grammar. But if you are an aspirant of any exam or you are a student, you have to write the exam or you have to face viva, your oral examination, then sorry, it's not possible to learn English without grammar, because your grammatical mistakes, your pronunciation mistakes, your spelling mistake can reduce your score. So it's not possible to learn without grammar if you are a student. But definitely, if you want to communicate with your friends, if you want to communicate at your workplace, you want to spend your vacations in English speaking country, or just you want to travel abroad, then yes, it is possible, because your intention is just to communicate with the people, just you want to convey your message, then yes, it's possible. I'll explain you how to speak English without learning grammar. In order to speak in English without learning grammar, you will have to consider yourself as a child. Yes, you listen right. You know, small children, how they learn their mother tongue? Do we teach them grammar? Or when we were kids, do we studied grammar and then our mother tongue? No, not at all. We just listen and speak. Whatever we listen, we imitate those words. We make a lot of mistakes. We were not perfect. With a lot of mistakes, we learn our mother tongue. In this way, you will have to learn English language. You will have to listen, repeat, listen and repeat. Or sometimes you can record your own voice, or you can record the same sentences and you can match with the original audio. In this way, you can learn. In order to be a fluent English speaker, listen a lot. Listen podcast, listen audiobook, watch YouTube channels, watch your favorite movies, TV series. Listen to the stuff which interests you. Don't try to listen boring things. Very soon you will lose your interest. So listen the stuff which interests you. For example, if you love to cook, then watch cooking channel. Or if you love to travel, watch traveling blogs in English. Or if you are a fitness freak, then watch fitness videos in English language. So do listen the things which interest you. Means you will maintain or you will keep listening, it will interest you, otherwise you will lose your interest very soon. While listening, imitate the phrases or sentences you like. Particular phrases, if you thought that yeah, this phrase I can use or I should use, I really like it, or this phrase is useful when I'll travel or when I'll go to market, or when I'll meet my friends, or at my workplace I can use those phrases. So imitate those phrases, or sometime note down or try to imitate it. When you feel confident that yeah, I have imitated those lines or phrases enough, then try to speak those phrases or sentences as it is in front of your friend, in front of your colleague. Don't afraid of making mistakes. English language is not our mother tongue. It's bound to happen. We will make mistakes. It's bound to happen. When we were child, we make mistakes in our mother tongue as well, and still we are making mistakes in our own mother tongue. So English is a foreign language, it's not our mother tongue. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Find someone to speak with. Solution is only that you'll have to speak every day. So find someone who can speak with, and the person who should be interested in learning English, then you can speak with each other, you can correct mistakes of each other. In this way you will improve. or you can get some speaking buddy online or from Facebook or anywhere, or just try to make any buddy from your friends, or you can get it at your workplace, or you can join any paid course as well. Then self talk is also very important and helpful in your English learning journey. Talk to yourself when you get up in the morning. Just say, yeah, I woke up, now I'll go to take bath, I'll make breakfast after 1 hour, or I'm going to have my breakfast. My bus is at 10 a.m. I'll have to go to work. I have this work. Then I'll have to meet my clients, and after your meeting, just imagine and keep talking to yourself that I met that person, what he said, what happened at your meeting, or if you went to market, just remind and recall what you purchased at the market, what things were there, what did you do, everything. Or one more thing, you can remind your whole day at night before sleeping. You can just think about what happened in your whole day since morning to go to bed. So you can imagine, you can just thought that, yeah, today I went to market and I met that particular friend and we had a nice time. We went to we went to our favorite cafe. We had coffee or we had juice, like that. What conversation happened in between both of you, just try to repeat that conversation in English language. Definitely it will helpful for you. Or if possible, you can write a diary. Whatever happens since morning to evening, you can write all those sentences in English. Definitely it will help you. And I think if you keep doing this thing again and again, you will be good at English. So keep doing it. Speaking is more important. If you think that, yeah, I'll listen, once I'll be perfect, I'll try to speak. No, whatever you listen today, at least try few sentences of that listening audio or video. Just try to imitate or just try to speak those sentences. Then only you can improve. In the beginning, speak in chunks. Don't try to speak sentences. Once you are confident in speaking small chunks, then start speaking small sentences and then large sentences. So keep practicing, and in this way you can learn English without grammar rules and tedious grammar. If you are not interested in grammar, yes, absolutely you can learn English without grammar. So that's it for today. If you like this video, if you found it useful, helpful for your English learning journey, please do subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and write down your comments. Bye for now.